Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by running XAMPP and getting services live. This is crucial so Visual Studio can reach MySQL. Once Apache and MySQL are running, open PhpMyAdmin and create the database and a dedicated user. Do this now so you avoid using root in production. Make sure the MySQL port is 3306 or note the custom port, and confirm PHP extensions for MySQL are enabled. When done, write down server, port, database name, username, and password for the next step. Now switch to Visual Studio and set up the code-level connection. Create your project type, then install MySQL. Data or MySQL connector from new, get so you have the client library. Once added, craft a connection string using the credentials you recorded, include server, port, user ID, password, and database, and set SSL mode if needed. Use a using block with MySQL connection, open the connection, and test a simple select one query to verify connectivity before implementing commands or parameterized queries. Finally, run the application and perform a basic select to confirm you can read from the database. If it works, proceed to implement insert, update, and parameterized queries. Make sure you close connections with using blocks and handle exceptions gracefully so you can see detailed errors. If something goes wrong, check firewall rules and the MySQL port, verify credentials, and that MySQL binds to 0, 0, 0, 0 or 127, 0, 0, 1 as expected. Quick troubleshooting tip, try telnet 127, 0, 0, 1 3306 to verify reachability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.